Hi, we're Sarah and Alex from the Best of Walsall. We recently used Paul and the LNP Sound team to host our Mayor's Charity Auction event at the Park Inn, which was a huge success.
Yeah, it was a great success. In fact, we raised £5,000, and that would not have been possible without the work that Paul did. Paul was at the MC for the evening and ran it to the minute, and also made a fantastic job in raising so much money for Mayor's local charities. So I'd like to thank both Sarah and I'd like to thank Paul for the professional and superb job he did, and I'd recommend him. Sarah and I would recommend him to anybody.
Thanks, Paul.